And then once it's done there, we do the intro. You are live. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We have an exciting live stream today. We are still here from the hotel in Miami. That's not going to stop us. We are here to raid different DeSci groups. We're here to spread the good word of decentralized science. Hopefully, you guys are well slept and ready for the day. It is also Fitness Friday, so make sure you guys are moving around this weekend. Right now, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is chilling right under $106,000 per coin, which is pretty insane considering how bearish everyone seems to be on crypto Twitter, on X. The fact that Bitcoin is consolidating at local highs is very, very good. It is holding up strong, and I honestly believe any minute now, any day now, we will be getting the beginning of that next leg up. The RSI is curling back up. The price chart's curling back up. We've sufficiently held the line after Trump's inauguration. Now he's in office, and we are not seeing any kind of dump, which is super, super exciting. We also, in the equities market, saw the S&P 500 hit all-time highs again yesterday, which is super exciting. It shows the market is coming back to life pretty aggressively. People had that sell-off right before Trump got in office. Now he's in office, and things are ripping again, just like they did last time Trump took office. There was no volatility. Everyone just started funneling money into the market, and it looks like the same thing is happening. So, this is super exciting. Hopefully, everyone is having a good day. Let me go open up the chat so I can actually see what you guys are saying. And then we will decide what community we need to be rating, because there are basically no communities except for ours, because we have the greatest community. Okay. Watching the ad, skipping the ad. Beautiful. Good morning, Martian. Good morning, Spectruth. Good morning, Zach. Good morning, C90. Good morning, Zaj. Good morning, David. What's going on? Oh, DeSci Ho was just gifted a membership from C90. W's in the chat for C90, and welcome in, DeSci Ho. Zaj. The hell kind of name is that? Truth Seek, good morning. Happy to see all you guys in here. Let's get into it, guys. As you guys come into the live stream, please do hit that like button. And let's go do some analysis on the current state of the market before we go rating. I asked in the Telegram where everyone thinks we should raid, and we had Marcus from Poseidon DAO say you guys should come raid Poseidon DAO. So as of now, that is the only Telegram group that we might be entering today, but we will see. I'm going to have to keep this live stream a little bit shorter, so we're going to get in, we're going to shill DeSci, we're going to get out. All right, understand the mission here. However, we probably need to have a little bit of a classroom on how to raid, because the last thing I need is to get blocked from all the groups that we enter. When we raided Creator Bid last week, I'm still blocked. I can't talk in that group chat, in the public Creator Bid chat, because we just went in and we're like, DeSci, 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 and they just blocked all of us. So we got to be very strategic this time with how we do this. I just learned about another DeSci project, ticker DNA, bullish on DNA, that's for sure. I'm calling her DeSci ma'am. Someone must have slept very little. Got to get out of that room before housekeeping kicks you out. Hey, we have until tomorrow. We have until tomorrow. I actually passed out last night. Like fully dressed still. Was not adequately ready for bed. But today we are drinking Health Aid, kombucha, ginger and lemon. Not sponsored, although it should be. Currently speaking, decentralized science as a market cap, as a category, is up 2% on the day. We have Zaya leading the charge, up 66%. Crazy, they just added liquidity, and everyone has been talking about it. They are making some good moves in the market. We have SBio up 16%, Amex up 13%, Biohacker up 7%, Vector Space up 7%, SciDAO up 7%, Data Lake up 7%, Research up 5%, Bio up 5%, Noble up 5%. Let's go, guys. A little bit of life in the markets. Not a crazy day, but definitely just showing that people are still here and liquidity is still flowing into decentralized science. We do see pretty aggressive bleeding in some projects like DNA, TIG, SUI, the DeSci agents, um, not DeFi Hellman, which is probably good because I've been seeing this thing just go straight up for a good chunk of time. Red, Wellshare, the other DNA. So market's a little bit mixed. Your portfolio's probably doing a little bit of both right now. That sober January really ruins your tolerance. Yes, it does, C90. Yes, it does. How many people did you shill DeSci to last night? A lot of people, actually. I was shilling AI agents to a lot of people there because they were all business people. They were all, am I allowed to talk about the event? They were all TikTok shop partners, right? And so they all have businesses and clientele, and they're all doing things manually. And so once everything kind of settled down and they were ready to listen to someone who was not working anything in TikTok, then we got to chill them about DeSci a little bit and about the agents and how they should all have their own AI agents to help them with their companies. And it was cool. Not a lot of people are aware of what's going on in this little niche world that we're in, guys. It might seem like everyone knows about everything, but truth be told, the vast majority of people have no idea what's going on right underneath their noses. Yep. Funny. Yeah. So, do you guys have the 18 of you chilling in here with me? Do you guys have any suggestions as to who we should raid? Anyone that you watch who we can raid Poseidon Dow if we want to. However, I enjoy and I think the most impact comes from raiding communities that are not already in decentralized science. The only problem is that I don't pay attention to anyone unless they're in decentralized science. So are there any content creators that you guys follow who private, because most people, when I'm looking around on socials online, I'm trying to find private communities and I just cannot find anything. I just can't. So maybe we can go over to YouTube and see about rating any of the people who are now. That might be good. C90 says, intro, you answer the question with new people. Hi, Patrick. What do you do? I say, hey, I make content on crypto. And then if they are interested in crypto, we have a really cool conversation. And if they are not super interested in crypto, usually we still have a pretty interesting conversation because they're like, I don't know, it never makes any sense to me, but I see the price, people talk about it, so you must be having a good time, you must be doing good. I'm like, well, if I held any Bitcoin, maybe, but no, I'm just kidding. Damn, Ben's hair's looking kind of crazy today. He's trying to give me a run for my money. You know what we could do? We could raid Amit. So I used to work with Amit.
Thing looking
They're talking
real
about
good
CoinSpark.
with the big fat check to back them.
You guys want to raid this YouTube page? You guys want to raid Amit? Very, very subtly, very cautiously. We enter in and we do not just immediately start listen to the conversation, and we have to assimilate into what's happening. But are you guys down for this? Send link right now. Bullish. Let's go, baby. Control C. I think if I go here, you guys can't see anything that would cause me to lose rights to the live stream, so we'll put it right here. Okay, guys, we're gonna join in, and we're not gonna immediately start
Because I do think they'll
DeSci.
get
We have to
into
listen to what they're saying
the
first.
strangle. I've got Cassicker puts at 60, cover calls at 75, so I'm bringing in about $8,000-9,000 a
Oh, I
month
can't
now,
do closed
almost
captions. Let
10
me move the mic over
on
here.
the
That way it doesn't get aggressive.
on the covered strangle. So it wouldn't take me that long to own these shares at no charge. And at 69, I feel like
Yeah,
maybe I didn't
exactly,
get the best
C90.
entry
It's
point,
much
but I did
easier to
okay.
have a conversation
What
with
do you
people
think
at
the floor
TikTok
is with
event
this company? I mean, I can see
versus
a
trying
world
to
where it could
apply
maybe
for a
go to the
loan.
40s, but I
Applying for the
really
loan,
think
not
that
gonna happen. I'm
somewhere
gonna
in
have
the
to get one
50s, it
from
just gets gobbled up.
converting all
Yeah,
of my assets to Bitcoin and going to
unless they
Coinbase and asking
mess
for one
up
without
the earnings,
that is just purely
58 to 65
collateralized.
has to be the bottom, I think. They would have to really show the world that solar is dying as a
Okay.
industry, which it's not, you know. So
I don't actually know what he's saying.
So I got to run, dude. My wife's saying we're gonna go eat lunch, and I still haven't done.
Are you coming to New York in a month or a week?
Yes. I'll be there from the
You guys are probably
2nd to the
hearing a pretty
7th,
aggressive
celebrating my
echo.
50th birthday.
Okay,
Good
so
morning, Steve the
I'll
Canadian.
hit you
I was
up.
gonna ask you because Kristen doesn't want to do it, so I feel like I'm asking you out on a little bit of a date right now. It's kind of weird. I'm gonna do the helicopter tour.
Dude, I've
And
never
we
done
did one in Vegas, and Kristen's like, no, fuck no, not interested. These things look like they're old medic transports, and we're just going to be another patient. So I've looked at it into a company that has like real
We're not
nice
really talking about
helicopters.
anything
Have
that
you done the helicopter tour of the city?
Nah.
I did it a
warrants
long
us
time ago. It was pretty
interjecting
cool.
right now.
I've heard about it. I've never done it.
It's only like 15 minutes, and it's relatively inexpensive. And I thought that that'd be real cool, and we could
3+
kind of like
hour
shoot the
stream.
shit. Maybe you could.
He's about
maybe
to
you
rug
can
the
go
chat.
live on your
How do
channel,
we know?
even if there's. I assume there's signal up there because we're only about 1,100 feet.
What date are you thinking? You're thinking next Saturday, February 8th?
Somewhere along the way. It's only
he really been
a
live for
20,
3
30 minute
hours?
deal.
No.
But I know it takes you by train, 20, 30 minutes to get into the city. I don't know if you want to drive in all that traffic.
No, it takes me an hour on the train, which is easy. Just
Oh my God, he
we'll
has
talk
been
about it. I
live
want
for
Stevie
3.5
to come over to my house,
hours.
but it might be too
Holy
hard for you
crap.
to spend that much time away from.
My wife wants to do some things that I'm
gonna
not
go ahead and hit
interested
that
in,
like button,
shopping
just
and
like you
stuff.
guys
So I
should.
might have a
If you
window
enjoy
there
this
I'm
type
able
of
to get
content,
away.
please do
And
hit
then
that
I'm
like
doing the
button.
little
Hopefully you guys are in the
Wall
chat
Street
here
walking
with me.
tour, and I'm
I
pretty
don't
sure
know
she's
that
not going to go
he's
with me on that.
talking
Yeah,
anything
she's not.
crypto at this
She don't
point,
give a
so
shit
he
about
might not
the
be the
balls
best
and
to
all that
raid,
stuff, and
but
the sycamore tree, and she doesn't give a shit. So
All
I
right, so
want
let's
to,
plan.
I'm nerdy. Like I like to know about the history and how this beautiful country founded the New York Stock Exchange 16 years after its inception, and those
too
things
much,
just like I'm
too
cool.
much at once. I
Dude,
heard
let's
Bill Nye
plan
is
a
a
little
good coin
date.
right
Let's
now.
do it. It'll be
Low
fun.
cap coin.
So I think it'd be cool. Maybe we can go live and and do that whole deal.
Well, that's the thing. If you come to my house, it'd be easy to go live. I don't know if we can go live on the helicopter. I mean, we could try, but if you come to the studio, it'll be super easy to just talk and chill. It could be a chill stream too. We don't even have to go
I'll
to
rat you out a minute. I ain't like Crossroads. I'm gonna
Oh,
tell
I
them
see
if that shit
C90
is
talking.
real or not, bro. On the bricks, so you gotta let me know, bro. You gotta let me know. We're
He said
full
his wife is making
transparency
his
on this
lunch.
channel, man.
That was TJ Wheel said that,
can't
right? I don't
mess
think
up
Amit is leaving.
what everyone has already affirmed, which is that the bricks are freaking real. Okay, can't do that.
Okay, what the hell? I've never heard of this one. Go ahead.
Ablacate? What the fuck is this?
Ablacate.
No one knows what this word means. No one in the
What's going on?
chat. There's no way you guys can tell me to wean. What does wean mean? What does that mean? The parents decided to ablacate their twins. Follow what? The
It's when you take
zookeepers.
the kid.
Stream. That was not it. That was a weird stream. Blockchain Basement's live. Oh, you know what we should go do? Stock Market Live.
He's trying to hook up the Twitch, baby. But yeah, that's how I feel about it. So trust me.
I used to watch
And
this guy.
that's
This
a
guy is
good-
how I learned
again,
a lot
like
about the
even
markets.
yesterday we talked
Watching
about
these
it.
live streams.
We got to be
There's
reborn, baby.
5,300 people watching right now, which is nuts because I remember being like his 10th
In March of
subscriber on the
2020,
channel.
you were too hype. Well, what did you want me to do, bro? I predicted one of the biggest sell-offs in the world. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was very exciting. But yeah, I feel you. But at the end of the day, it doesn't, that's all of it, man. Just, I don't know, man. What I want all of you to learn is like how to just like sift through info and how to act on it and how to just not be so like emotional with things to the point where like, you know, if someone's this or that or this, it just doesn't matter. You got to find the opportunity in it. You know, so even I may not be the best person. I don't think I am, but you know, it's like every moment there's opportunity in these moments. So I want y'all to start learning that and not like learning it in theory, but learning it in application.
You guys
you know
can't
what I'm
talk in this
saying?
one?
And like applying it. And that's why I'm like,
everyone
man,
go.
there's a good opportunity.
Okay, if we can't raid this guy, everyone go follow him so that next week we can come back and raid him because I know that he'll be receptive to DeSci if he finds out about it. Again, this is the I learned a lot of my information from back probably like 7 years ago. And so he is a really good streamer. He never shows his face, but he knows an aggressive amount about the market, and he's funny. Subbed. W. Oh yeah. You guys hear that Japan raised their interest rates today? The carry trade is no more, but the market already priced it in because the last time. Subbed 2x. Bid down only. I doubt bid is down only, dude. It was up so aggressively the other day. I wouldn't be surprised if it's getting a sell-off right now, but it's definitely not down only. Yeah, it's down 37%. That's not down only, brother. That is from the low to the top, from the trough to the peak, that was 300% gains. The presale was 25 million. It's still up a 4x from anyone who got in on the presale. 26,000. I heard someone clip 26 into Bill. That's wild. That is wild. I mean, it makes sense. You go look at Bill's chart. Look at how quickly that just skyrocketed. So up 200% in the matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. 6 minutes, we went up 200%. And then some people started selling off a bit, and now it looks like we've floored out and getting ready for another leg. Let's hopefully make it. I don't know, those aggressive legs, I think they must just like scare people because who dumps like that? Why are all you guys just dumping as soon as it goes up a little bit? That is so funny. 50% retracement. Not bad though. It is cool to see it. A little breath of life come into the market for Bill. Okay, who is it that you said C90? You said live trading by Trader TV Live. Live trading by Trader TV Live. Ah,
higher lows, but lower highs. So that's
exactly,
kind of what I'm
C90.
seeing right now. I
Who
don't
is
really
dumping
want
down
to
here?
jump in
Show
quite
yourself.
yet.
Subscribers
just kind of
only
very
mode.
aggressive move.
So I
1,
have
2,
to
3, 4,
subscribe
5,
and then
6. 6 candle green on the 5-minute
I am
uninterrupted.
subscribed.
This current 5-minute candle that we're on
Is it gonna be one
NVNI
of those 4-hour things? You found
35. So almost
nice.
an hour now. So I was
that
thinking
looks
maybe
sad.
it needs a bit of more of a retracement to the downside here, maybe around 520 or so. Yeah, so it's giving up 540s, coming into the 530s. Let's see if it can drop a little bit more over here. So
anime coin.
Nice. Can you send it to me?
Yes.
So I can pull it up?
I don't know for sure.
Yeah.
Not financial advice.
It is financial advice. I don't know them. That was just a suggestion. Refresh the stream. Yes, now we can chat. I think this is a good one. I'd be longing the SPY here. 2/3 bullish.
NVNI is certainly in play. NEUP, which is the other monster small cap gapper, it's halted to
They're
the
gonna do a lot of
downside. So
stock
second
stuff, I
halt
bet.
to the
But let's go
downside
ahead
in
and
a
see
row,
if
but
he
it's
can do
halted
some
at a
TA
very
on
important
Bitcoin.
area that you're going to guess, obviously. It's the volume weighted average price here on NEUP. So halted to the downside after this topping
Slowly,
candle,
not all at once,
but at a
guys.
very, very
Let's
interesting area.
Control C.
A little bit above that
Let's try
volume
this
weighted
one.
average price, which is around 810. It's halted 820.
The music from downstairs is gonna get me
the book.
copyrighted
I
on
don't
this
think I
thing.
need to load it. It's right here.
Okay.
Oh, what the hell
Slowly.
is this? Are you kidding me?
Let's ask him to do some
The
TA
cap
on Bitcoin.
NEUP's 562.
Let's get him talking about
It's halted at
crypto
820.
instead of
So it's almost $3 lower, not
stocks.
quite $3.
I sent Bill
lower
to a
than the
crypto
current
group.
halt price. This
I'm
thing is
in from
going to
100K market
if we
cap
open
and it
that way.
already
Now,
did a
it might
33x from that call.
encounter a lot
Only
of buy
one guy got
orders that are going to
in.
be sitting
The
below
smart money
the volume weighted
alerts are
average price to
showed
take this
Bill.
north. I have no
That's
idea, but you're not going to
hysterical.
see me try to guess the bottom
Good
on
call,
this
too
one,
much at once.
given how
Good
it's traded.
call. 100K
NEUP
market cap
cap
call
now
out for Bill is
570
nuts, especially
halted
when it gets to 100
All
billion
right,
and
back to
10 trillion, that's going to be a really cool
NVNI.
call out
Okay,
for
so
you.
breached 520 coming
When
into
it
5.
eclipses Bitcoin and
The
market cap,
10
that's going to be a
exponential
W
moving
call.
average is at 4 3/4. Does it hold 5 or does it retrace into the 10? It's breaching 5, okay? Breach 5, bounce right back up at that $5 level. $5, not a technical area of support,
Okay,
but
somebody
it is a
asked for
psychological
Bitcoin
area of possible
TA.
support. These whole dollars and half dollars tend to be like that with these small cap gappers. Great volatility today for these small cap gappers. Let's see if this one wants to bounce off 5. For now, it's defending 5. It breached it, albeit very quickly, but it looks like it might be defending it. I was about to punch in there. All right, let's keep watching this one, Joseph. What do you got on your side, my man?
Hey, good look there. We punched into some RGTI here, guys. Nice recovery here on IBIT as well, too, running into these resistance levels. I think that we punched through. Nice liquidity grab here, holds the volume weighted average price, and now starting to on that ascent to the top side. So there is IBIT. We're gonna hold on. We still haven't taken any off just yet. So we want to have this high day break, and then we'll look to start taking some out. So let's pull up RGTI. One thing I need to keep an eye out on here is that we
Isn't that Bitcoin? We got Mara. People are asking Mara. Yes. Beautiful. Look at that. So they're long Bitcoin right now. They're waiting for that breakout, baby. It's just clean. It's just clean. Look at that. We're on daily candles right now. If we were to close today just a little bit higher, we would have the highest daily close ever. It is nuts. Is arguing with people in the basement. All good. You're watching multiple streams at once, C90. That's nuts. Good call to you for the announcement on Discord. I mean, I just needed to keep you guys informed. We couldn't start training the agent, couldn't start training the Bill agent until he was off the bonding curve. I had no intention of sharing it with you guys when I did, but we had to get him off the bonding curve in order to start actually building him. And so I was like, hey guys, here's Agent Bill. And just went straight up, which was beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Even now, I'm so excited for when we can start talking about the partnership. I need an energy drink. No, I'll wait until after. What's good, MJ? Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. We're supposed to be doing a raid right now, but I'm struggling to find people to raid. Let's go through and do a raid on Poseidon DAO again. Let's go spark up the Psy chat. Do I have a link to the Poseidon DAO chat? Can I not invite people? Let's see how Psy is doing today. Down 5% to $2. This is like criminally undervalued. Whatever's happening to Psy right here is actually just market ignorance. Like I would be more it would make more sense for me for this to be sitting up closer to $20 than $2. Under 10 is just crazy, and the fact it's down at 2 is like, what is going on? But I know that you guys already have heard me ramble about Psy several times. Let me go to the YouTube and let me paste this in here. All right, last one. I know we did not successfully raid basically anyone. Zaj, I see you. C90, I see you in the live stream over here talking about Bitcoin. I did not
are having the inability to punch through VWAP right now.
I did not think that these people were going to segue away from looking at their stock charts to come trade some DeSci tokens with us. But that's okay.
If they were smart, they would.
I agree with that.
It's pretty.
The water's pretty?
Yeah.
Good. Do you want to come in and say hi to them?
Tell them I love them, but no.
She hates you guys.
You're not.
She said no.
How I feel about it.
Late night?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
The volatility for Bitcoin here is pretty insane. Just been bouncing in the 100,000s, the low 100,000s for just weeks. Let's get a rectangle here. We'll do another little rectangle. It's forming like a little mini version of what it had done earlier. Like this little mini rectangle here is just the same as this giant rectangle. Isn't that interesting? I wonder if we have to sweep the lows like we did here and see Bitcoin come down, touch like 99,000 before it gets broken out. Welcome to Much at Once. I see you in the new chat. GM/hi. Welcome, welcome. I can. Let's see. Let's see. I would love to see us come up on Bitcoin, touch that $160,000 mark by the end of Q1, and then be done. Not really be done, but that would just be beautiful. BitBoy's live. Yeah. I don't really enjoy rating his. We can't get his attention. He's just hyper fixated on whatever he's talking about. No worries, all DeSci's down at the moment. Just accumulating phase now. Poseidon DAO definitely is my highest conviction token. Smart Money, you heard it here first. Smart Money says, well, his new channel, BitBoy X, kind of funny. Let's go. Let's go. Smart Money out chilling DeSci, even when we're not currently in the raid phase. But I simply do not have the energy needed to commence a full-scale raid right now.
come on. You got this.
No, we don't. I don't even know any groups. Nobody makes.
Maybe you should take them outside with all the concert music and get hyped up.
I'll get copyright. Oh, is the dollar That's super bullish. Let's go. On the daily scale, dollar's coming down aggressively, guys. Let's hope it just slices straight through all these moving averages. I don't want to see any hesitation. Just dump, 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 dump. I think the 10-year was also. $10-year holding up a little bit better than the dollar, but still looking like it's coming down for real now. All right. I'm leaving you guys. Time is your most valuable asset. I know it wasn't super exciting today. Big Von, yeah. I don't understand how Ben has people watching him still. He literally launched a meme coin and then just gave up on it, abandoned it, rugged it, literally took the liquidity and deleted all of it. Absolutely nuts. But yeah, he's got mods that snipe the chat. Okay. Thank you all for being here. Appreciate it. I know it was low energy. We'll be back on Monday, back in the proper environment so that we can conduct some live streams and go crazy. Monday morning, I believe at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I am going live with Data Lake and MGOs from Biohacker. So that will be a very fun live stream. And then after that, I will be getting ready for our daily live, Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, talk about decentralized science and the broader crypto markets. Today was supposed to be raid day, but oh well. For a little while, you couldn't look away, and then he scammed. Yeah, I know. Okay. Thanks, guys. Peace.